Local news for Wednesday, the 9th of September. Nominations have opened for the 2020 Fonterra Shareholders Council and Directors Remuneration Committee. The council currently consists of 25 councillors, all Fonterra farmers, who are elected across 25 wards around Aotearoa. John Stevenson is Wairarapa's representative and is restanding. Business Wairarapa are hosting National Finance spokesperson Paul Goldsmith next Monday. The ticketed event will be held at the Farriers from 4:30pm. And bookings close in 2 days for the free and subsidised ag chemical collection. The recovery program is for unwanted or expired agrochemicals, and it's free or subsidised collection disposal for more than 3,000 products. Finally, in sport, Harcourts are the outright leaders in the local netball competition. A win over our second place Wairarapa College at the weekend saw them go top of the table after 6 rounds. Carterton Red are sitting in third. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.